Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make and use onion juice in 2 ways for massive hair growth. So this is all you need. You just need onions, and what we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be cutting it into small pieces, and I'm going to be taking out the unwanted parts. I'm going to peel off the unwanted parts. I'm also going to rinse the onion. So now I'm going to be cutting the onion into small pieces, and we move on, and we'll be moving on to the next step. Going to transfer the onion into the blender, and you're going to add water. Then you can add as much water as you want depending on how much you are doing. So as you can see, I reduced the water because I am just using a little bit of it, and I'm just using it for 2 to 3 days. So that is why I reduced the water, and then you blend both mixture together. So now we're going to strain out the juice, and I'm going to transfer the onion mixture into the other bowl, but I'm going to put the strainer on top of the other bowl, and then I'm going to transfer the onion mixture into it so that it can strain out all of the juice from the mixture. So here is how the onion juice looks like. So now I'm going to be transferring the onion juice into the jar, which I'm going to be storing in the fridge for 2 days, not or 3 days. So your onion juice is ready. So now I'm going to be showing you the second way on how to make onion juice if you don't have a blender. So what you're going to do is the same thing. You're going to get an onion, and then you're going to peel off the unwanted part. I am only using half of the onion because I don't want to do too much, because I just want to use it for a few days. So I'm just going to do a little bit of this onion, of this part. So I'm just going to be showing you how you can use it without a blender. So what I'm going to be doing now, I'm going to be cutting the onion into small pieces. So now you're going to use a grater, and you're going to put the onion pieces, and then you're going to rub it on the grater. So what you're going to do, you're going to rub the whole onion against the fine side of the grater, and move the onion in a downward and upward motion over the holes to grate it. So that is all you need to do during this process. So you're just going to continue doing it. Continue doing this until you grate all of the onions that you've cut. So this is how the grated onion looks like, and what you can do is that you can also use a strainer, or you can use your hand. All you just need to do is place the grated onion on your hand, and then you're going to squeeze out the juice from the grated onion. So that is all you need to do. But if you don't want to do that, you can use a strainer. You can strain out the juice like the first process, what I did in the first process. So that is what you just need to do. So I'm just going to be doing the same thing to the remaining grated onions till I squeeze out all of the juice from them. So now I'm going to transfer the juice into the bottle. As you can see, that one is small, but I'm going to transfer the juice, and the other one that I did, I'm going to transfer them into the bottle. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So now the onion juice is transferred into the bottle, and what I'm going to be doing next, I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply the onion juice on my hair. So keep on watching. So now you can see that my hair is in a protective style. I put it in a protective style 2 weeks ago. So it is time for my wash day. So what I'm going to do, I'm just simply going to just spray the onion juice on my hair, my scalp. Especially my scalp is really good, is really great for hair loss. So if you are like battling with hair loss in some certain areas, you can put the onion juice on that part and massage it gently. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. I'm going to be applying the onion juice and spraying it round my scalp, like my edges, my scalp, all around my scalp. Yeah, the smell, it actually has a smell. Definitely it smells like onion. So after you're done with it, you have to definitely wash your hair because it has a smell. And also you need to change your clothes also, because just going to be smelling like onion. Yes, it does have a smell. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind. So what I'm doing, I'm spraying the onion juice on my hair. As you can see, I'm spraying it at the middle of my hair because I battled with hair loss. Back then on my on the crown area of my head. I don't know, I usually itch it a lot, so I battled with hair loss. So onion juice really helps. It really helps with hair loss. So I usually apply it on the middle of my hair a lot. So that's one thing you need to keep in mind. So that's what I'm just going to be doing. I'm just going to be spraying the onion juice around my head. So now I'm going to get my processing cap and I'm going to leave it on my hair for an hour. So I'm going to leave it for an hour before I decide to start my wash day. So leave it for an hour, then I'm going to shampoo my hair, condition my hair, deep condition my hair, the regular things that I do, and moisturize my hair and style my hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's simply all on today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you guys learned one or two things in today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up by liking the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more hair videos, DIYs, advice, tutorials on this channel. Bye.